Unusual cabochon with amphibole fibers. You can see them, and they color differently depending if they have more or less iron mixed in the amphibole fibers. This is from Brazil, from Bahia. This is set in Bali. Sorry about the noise, there's construction next door. Don't let that detract you from the beauty of this pendant. Materials from Brazil. Craftsmanship, sterling silver from Bali. Beautiful pendant. Unique and rare.